Hey guys, welcome back my YouTube channel and subscribe. The 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech is a revolutionary electric vehicle that combines nostalgia with modern technology. Designed as a tribute to the classic Renault 4, this car blends vintage charm with futuristic performance, making it a perfect choice for urban mobility and adventure seekers alike. Equipped with a fully electric powertrain, the Renault 4 E-Tech offers an impressive range suitable for both city commutes and longer drives. Its battery technology ensures fast charging capabilities, reducing downtime and enhancing convenience for users. The car's electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and a quiet, eco-friendly ride, making every journey enjoyable. The exterior design stays true to the iconic Renault 4 silhouette, while incorporating contemporary elements such as LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, and a robust stance. The raised ground clearance and rugged appeal make it versatile for various terrains, appealing to drivers looking for practicality with a touch of adventure. Inside, the cabin is designed for comfort and sustainability, using recycled materials and an intuitive digital dashboard. The spacious interior, along with smart storage solutions, ensures practicality for everyday use. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with connectivity features keeps passengers entertained and informed, while advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety. Renault's commitment to sustainability is evident in the 4 E-Tech, as it aligns with the brand's vision for a greener future. With zero emissions and innovative engineering, it stands as a symbol of progress in the electric vehicle market. The 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech is more than just a car. It's a statement of heritage, innovation, and sustainability, offering a perfect blend of style, technology, and eco-conscious driving. Thanks for watching my video, and safe drive.